Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of this Peacock Pen and Ink Set. It has a glass dip pen, and I believe it also has some inks in there. I've been wanting a glass dip pen for a while now. I saw one several months ago, probably last year, at Hobby Lobby, and they have just been out of stock. I'm sorry that when I saw it, I didn't get it, and I even have myself on a wait list, but I've decided to just go ahead and go on the internet and order this set here. I love peacocks, and that's really the main reason why I got this, but let's open it up and take a look. I probably should show you, I guess here on the back, it has some papers here. It says to do. And it looks like some nice little writing paper, because you can use your dip pen. I do have the regular dip pens with the metal nibs, but I wanted the glass dip pen. So it says here the set includes 2 fine point glass dip pens, 12 bottles of colored ink, 1 ink blotter, extra blotting paper, 1 cleaning glass, and 1 glass pen rest. So let's open this up. So this is the writing paper. Okay, so here, let's start with this. So this is the blotter. I don't have one of these, so this will be nice. And I guess this is the additional blotting paper. This is, I guess, the little rinse cup, but it is kind of small, so let's see. And this must be wooden block. Oh, that's just, oh, okay. I guess you would put your bottles of ink in there. So let's take a look at the inks that we have. And here's the pen rest, and I'll show you how that is going to be used. And then here are the 2 pens. Get some scissors. Let's see. And what I plan to use these for, I'm not really that much into calligraphy itself, but I would like to use these for my watercolor. So here's the first one. So you can see these grooves here. Let me see if I can make it better here. And these grooves are what hold the ink. And that's really pretty. And let's see the second one. All right, and here's our second one. Put that there. Oops. So here are 2 of the grooves. Really pretty. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing this unboxing. Let me show you what paints we have. And then I will be doing a review drawing with these, and hopefully these should be water soluble, where I can use a paintbrush to use them as paints. So you can see here there's some gold. So when they're used, you would want to make sure to shake these, and I'm sure that that's going to be really pretty. So I don't see the name of the color, but let's start with this one here. So this looks like it's a deeper blue. And I am going to swatch these out, so stay tuned for that video. And then this one here has red. My husband's watering the front lawn, so or the front yard. So if you hear that noise, that's what that is. Then this one has green. Looks like a nice emerald green. And then purple. So they do all have this golden shimmer. Then this looks like it's a nice pink. Look at that, that's really pretty. And that lighter blue, or maybe it's a turquoise. This looks, let's see, in comparison. So this one is more of a tealish, teal color. Although it does look nice and green here, but could be that the bottles are that greenish color. Not sure. But again, when we do the swatch, we'll take a look at that. This one is an orangey color. This is silvery or gray. Here's another muted, almost looks the same as this one. So when we swatch them, we'll take a look and see how they compare. Yeah, maybe they might be duplicates, because this one looks like it's blue also. And this one looks, maybe it's black or a really deep dark blue. So again, it all has that golden shimmer in there. So looking forward, glad nothing was broken and everything's intact. I just want to show you again here the dip pens, and I will be doing again a review on that and how they're used. So for now, I'm just going to put them here. So how you use the rest, the pen rest, just so that it doesn't roll off on the floor. So I guess I'm still glad I have carpet here in this room, but you would just place it there. These are going, when I show you the video, the review on how to use these, you'll see that these rinse really, really well in water, especially with the water soluble inks, which I'm sure these are. And you can easily go from one color to the next. So really nice and convenient. So if you have any questions, just let me know. And again, just stay tuned for the video where I will be demonstrating how these are used. So again, these are Peacock Pen and Ink, and it comes with this blotter as well. So that's nice, and this little cup. So let me just, and the writing paper. That's kind of nice that it has a to-do list. I could probably make copies of that. But just to show you again what's in here. So it says 2 fine point glass dip pens, 12 bottles of colored ink, 1 ink blotter, extra blotting paper, 1 cleaning glass, and 1 glass pen rest. So if you have any questions, again, just let me know. I do have another order for another glass dip pen set. It's from a different company. And as soon as I get that, I will do an unboxing of that. So take care, everyone, and see you soon. Bye.